So we had a whole lot of questions about how our roof penetration bracket system, which is the standout from the video that we did at Cedar Grove, works.
Yeah.
So I believe we won't take 5 minutes today to explain what this bracket is, why it is so popular, and why a whole lot of Australians are choosing this bracket for their insulated or their non-insulated flyover roof design. This bracket here is a complete bracket system that comes with all of the hardware and all of the accessories and all of the brackets that you need to create a flyover roof on your property. Scott, do you want to explain the brackets a bit more in detail, please?
Yeah, so there's a couple of different styles of roof penetration brackets. These are the brackets that come through your house roof that support the flyover or overlap style of roof. There's a few different ones on the market. We see them every day, and we often see our competitors' quotes using a bracket that might be called an extender bracket, for example, and you might have heard of them yourself, especially if you're doing your research on flyovers at the moment. The extender brackets have been around for a really long time, but they're really not suited to a lot of applications, especially applications where you need extra height, and applications where you might have cyclonic conditions, or if you want something that just looks a little better. The extenders look really skinny and really thin. So what we did was we developed this incredible powder-coated, sturdy, strong 500 millimeters.
Long. This one's a 50 by 50 square hollow steel section. It is a pretty heavy bracket, as you can see. It comes in 6 different ColourBond colors. It's suitable for a tile or a metal roof. In most regions in Australia, we can get a 6-meter span in between the first bracket and the second bracket on your roof.
Which means that the beam that goes on top, let's get that in there, 6 meters apart between those brackets.
6 meters between these. So if you're thinking of getting a 6x4 flyover roof, you only need 2 of these brackets on your roof.
So one of the things about what we've done with SMARTKITS is we looked at it from the perspective that not everybody's house is the same. There are a lot of different ways to do things in this country, and houses are no different. The houses in Tasmania are built slightly different to the houses in North Queensland, for example. Same with Karratha in Western Australia. How you could be in Cooper Pedy, you'll have a different style build than the house you have in Melbourne. So what we did was we came up with a range of brackets to suit this penetration bracket so that you've got more than one option on site to be able to fit this into your roof. And that's the secret to success for us. We've come up with a way to make sure that no matter what the situation is in your house roof, you have a bracket that works to fit this into your house roof cavity. So the detailed engineering we give you, as well as the supporting documentation and video links, shows you how these systems work. So you can go, hey, this is what I'm looking at in my house. This is the right bracket for me. I need to put this one into here, and I need to sit this one under here, and there'll be a bolt that fixes through that. So a number of different ways to do things. A number of different ways, multiple options.
The other thing as well, Scott, is this bracket is designed to be cut down on site depending on how much gap you want between the top where the beam sits and the underneath where your house roof sits. So if you only want this bracket to poke, say, about this much over your house roof, you can pretty much cut this off here. This 200 mil goes inside your house cavity, and this is the only bit that pokes above your house roof.
So one of the things about our kits is that we give you a little more than you need, because there's no scenario where an exact millimeter fit perfect kit would be the right choice for your house, because no house is built to exact millimeter specifications. I don't even think the pyramids were built to exact millimeter specifications. Well, they might have been close. 20,000 years ago, they probably had better building skills than us. It wouldn't surprise me. But I'll tell you what, if I could sell a pyramid in a smart kit, I would.
100%. I would be down for that.
So we give you extra post length, extra bracket length, extra brackets, to make sure that you've got everything you need. And this is one of the reasons why our customers have so few problems when it comes to installing our DIY SMARTKITS, is because we've covered off on every eventuality.
Now, if you just want to buy this bracket from us, you can do so on our website. If you just go to www.smartkits.com.au, under frequently purchased, you'll see there's a listing there for a jumbo bracket, which is this bracket here. It comes with all of these accessories, brackets, the whole lot. And they're designed to work in both a tile and a metal roof, and it's also suitable for a cyclonic region.
100%.
100% the best bracket to choose for building your flyover design. Our builders love it. Every customer we've supplied to it so far has loved it. and super strong brackets, Scott.
Yep, and the difference between cheap nasty and actual proper quality. The finish on these are amazing. The colour range is amazing.
6 colours to choose.
This is a proper roof penetration bracket. Yeah, you might save yourself $100 on some of those cheaper kits, but there's a reason that it's $100 cheaper. So trust me, this is the one you're going to want.